So this is kind of an interesting video. It's something I've thought long and hard on, and because of COVID, it's made it very difficult for everything. Prices have gone up, skyrocketed, time frames have changed, jobs have just, so basically what I'm doing is I'm selling my company. And I will consult. And it's a sad day. It's been, 10 years of me building this company, and I hate to see it go. But with that, selling the assets and all that stuff means the vehicles go. But mine is my truck. So I am going to rewrap it. This is what I've been working on. So I've been kind of playing around. Of course, we're changing the colors. The back I've been kind of working on. And move over to the side. I think this will be the design of the new vehicle. Down here, I'm gonna put sponsors. So like right now I've got Doghouse. I'll put down a bunch of other sponsors that I've had that are part of the truck. But yeah, that be the new wrap. So I decided today that I would take the truck in to Wrap Guys, just so he could see it and he could, I could sign off on the final approval, make sure everything's good as far as logos and stuff goes. I took it in. I told the guy to come out, measure things just so he knows, as far as sponsors go, because those will go in the truck as well. And in doing so, they realized, oh, there's a wrap on there. I'm confused because they did the wrap. So they know there's a wrap on there. So the time allotted on Thursday is not enough to do the wrap. Friday, I can't leave it there. We're leaving early for the island. So I suggested, you know what, if I can bring it in this week, it shouldn't take that long to de-wrap. So I'm going in tomorrow to get the truck de-wrapped for 2 hours. We're going to leave the back part of the wrap on for now because it's in good shape. And they'll just wrap over top of that when they have to wrap on Thursday. So I'm going in for a de-wrap, unwrap, whatever you want to call it. On Tuesday, I'll have the truck half naked on Wednesday and back to the shop for a full day on Thursday. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that one with Caden in school, because that means it's done at like 5 and I still got to pick him up. I got to figure this all out. But anyway, I'm glad I called. So we're off tomorrow to the Wrap Guys. Let's go. Okay, here it is. This is the final design. So, YouTube overlanding adventure channels on the very bottom now. Perfect on both sides, just because some people don't understand what that symbol means. So, I'm going to spell it out. If I need to, I can always take it off. And then those are our sponsors. So that's in the back on both sides. These are our main sponsors. So Black Rhino, ARB, Adrenaline Bumpers, Doghouse Tents, which can go a little bit bigger, and Rock Solar. That's perfect. I love it. Now, let's get this thing printed and on. So we're off to Wrap Guys. I'm getting the truck de-wrapped today so that we can wrap it properly on Thursday. So right now we're heading there for a couple hours, I think 2 hours, just to get some of the stuff off. So when we go back, in 2 days, they can go back and do this a lot quicker because it's a full day for all this. So, I don't have a truck, means I'm stranded. They don't have loaner vehicles, which they did. And for all of you that keep telling me, keep your hands off your phone, my hands are right here. Phone cannot levitate. So it does move because it's on a stand. So, just saying. I do talk a lot with my hands though. So that's where we're going. Check it out. So that's day one, the D-wrap. We've got everything off that we need to. This part they're actually just going to go over top of because it's in good shape, and it might take quite a bit of time to get that off, but we'll see. It might come off in the end. We're back to get the wrap. Can't wait. Check it out. It's next. Truck is done. We've got it rewrapped and I'm happy. We've got to change at the back. It just went up a little bit too high. That's an easy fix. The rest looks amazing. I'm thrilled. Wrap guys did an awesome job. It was all day, but it was an awesome job. And I really appreciate the attention to detail because that's what I am. I'm into that detail. And, you know, fine things, little details, all matter, and I love it.